Welcome to JEE Maths Preparation 2026-27, where maths is explained simply, clearly, and step by step. Build concepts, not shortcuts. Now let's solve today's JEE Maths question. Today's question is on definite integral, and it is JEE Main 2024 question, which is highly similar to 2026 variants. In this question, we have to evaluate this definite integral and find its value. Here, first we have to eliminate this algebraic variable x. So we can reduce the question to a standard tan inverse x integration. And this can be done by using symmetric properties or King's property. The King's property, as we know, is integral from a to b fx dx is integral from a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. Therefore, given definite integral I that we name 1 turns to I equals integral from 0 to pi 8 times 0 plus pi minus x upon 4 cos square pi minus x plus sin square pi minus x dx. I will be integral from 0 to pi 8 pi minus 8x upon 4 cos square pi minus x is cos square x plus sin square pi minus x is sin square x dx. We will name this 2. Now we will add 1 and 2. So I plus I becomes 2i equals integral from 0 to pi 8x minus 8x becomes 0. So only 8 pi upon the denominator dx. Dividing by these 2, I will be 4 pi integral from 0 to pi dx upon 4 cos square x plus sin square x. Now we will use conversion property. Integral from 0 to 2a equals twice integral 0 to a. Here this pi is 2 times pi by 2 because this denominator is symmetric around pi by 2 because the values are symmetric about pi by 2. So now I becomes 2 times this 4 pi integral from 0 to pi by 2 and not pi dx upon the denominator. Next, considering cos square x and sin square x in the denominator, as usual we will divide numerator and denominator by cos square x. So I becomes 8 pi integral from 0 to pi by 2 1 upon cos square x sec square x dx upon 4 plus tan square x. To solve this further, we have to put t equals tan x so that dt becomes sec square x dx. When x is this 0, t is 0, and when this x is this pi by 2, t will be infinity. I becomes 8 pi new limits 0 to infinity. This sec square x dx equals dt upon 4 plus this tan square x equals t square. I equals 8 pi. This 4 is 2 square plus this t square. After taking integral, half tan inverse t by 2 from 0 to infinity. 2 ones are 2 fours are 8. 4 pi into tan inverse infinity is pi by 2 minus tan inverse 0 is 0. So I becomes 2 pi square. Hence, the correct answer option here is A, 2 pi square. This one here. If this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe. Keep learning, keep questioning and keep building strong mathematical thinking. And I will see you in the next JEE Maths tutorial. Until then, keep watching JEE Maths PYQS. Thank you.